I love life hacks, but to be honest, I was a little bit skeptical about this one. But today, when I looked at my Walmart app, there it was, $250 waiting for me to spend on Black Friday deals. If you want to know how I did it and what are some of my Black Friday top picks from 2018 from Walmart, then this is the video for you. Hey, welcome to another Talking Tech with a Techie Guy. My name's Liron Segev, where I make technology simple. If you're into phones, gadget, apps, tech tips and how-tos, then this is the channel for you. Hit that subscribe button and let's get on to today's show. So as you can tell from my accent, I wasn't born in the US and all things were new when I got here. It was all about driving on the wrong side of the road. It was all about learning what a credit score is. One of the things I really didn't like was keeping my receipts. I mean, I know I've got to keep a hold of my finances, but keeping those paper receipts was a nightmare. So I was very excited when I saw that within the Walmart app, there was an option to scan my receipt and it kept it for me. What I didn't realize back then was that not only did Walmart keep my receipt, but it actually put money back into my account. Let me show you the best Black Friday deals I found at Walmart and how you too use that same system to save yourself a whole bunch of money. Let's do that. Right, let's fire up the Walmart app. Top right hand side, hit the hamburger buttons and then go down till you see the weekly ads. Now typically that's where the specials are, but what we're really interested in this time is the Black Friday ads, and these were here. And now just click on list view because it's just easier to see it. And here are all the 2018 Black Friday specials that they have going on. It even shows you a map of how to get to your special. Now, I've been through these and here are a couple that really stood out for me, so let me show you the kind of deals I'll be looking for. 50% off the Google Home Mini, which we love. There's a little card at the top here showing my previous experience with the Google Mini. Roku Ultra, 48 bucks, saving $51. Is a pretty good deal as well. Arlo HD Security Cam, saving of $100. Cool. The Apple iPad 6th generation, saving of 80 bucks. Now you can't get these everywhere, so it's good to have it. The Sony PlayStation 1TB Slim Spider-Man bundle, $199, cool deal. And the Xbox One S 1TB Minecraft Creators bundle, $199. $299 for the Nintendo Switch with the Mario Kart, which is normally around 60 bucks just by itself. So how do you save some money? See the top button there? Click on that. It's a QR code scanner. At the bottom of every receipt, you have a QR code. And I've added that receipt to my list. Now, what that also does, it goes and finds any savings that you should have had on your product. In other words, they found the same product elsewhere and at a cheaper price. And the more products they find at a cheaper price, it simply adds to your savings catcher. So over a while, I managed to accumulate nearly $250 by simply logging my receipt. It's a nice way for me to know how much I'm spending. But look at this, $250 back into my account, and I can use the Walmart Pay app to pay for it. And all I'm going to do is go into the actual Walmart and use that. So let's give that a bash. Okay, so I'm a little bit nervous. I've left my credit cards at home. I'm literally just got the Walmart app on my phone. So let's head into our local Walmart. Let's do a little bit of a shop and use the self-checkout just because I've got a little bit of time to play with the options here. Let's check out some items. Of course, this works with your regular till as well. All right, $57.47. There's the QR code. Effectively just point your app at it and it connects and ta-da, down to zero. So that was pretty cool. That was straightforward, no mess, no fuss, and it actually took the money off my account and there's my receipt automatically added. How cool is that? So as of October 29th, you can only use the savings catcher if you use Walmart Pay. And that's pretty cool because all you're going to do is simply hit on the button called Submit, and within the next couple of days, Walmart will still match the price. And if they find any difference, they'll stick money back into your account again. What a win! If you like this kind of video, give the video a thumbs up. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Check out some of these other cool videos, and I'll see you guys on the next episode because that's Tech Simple. Cheers for now.